Okay. Now, what we will do, we'll talk about try, catch, finally, throw, throws. I'll give you a small bad example for your better understanding. Don't feel bad if girls are boys. Okay. What is a bad example? For example, we have a one girl. This is a girl. This is a boy. First, what I will do, I will try the girl. And after that, it's a catch the girl. That means she is agree, is love. And finally, marriage. Is a marriage. Or living relationship. For better understanding, what I'm telling for these three, so that you'll get to know good idea. Now, what is this? This guy is trying one guy. Try. After that, what? Definitely catch. Then, what maybe? Maybe you can say you can roam to the parks and living relationship. After that, he is going to marry. What is this try? Try actually first he is trying. Without try, he can't go to the parks and he can't go to the living relationship. Okay. Without try, we can't, even girl and boy. Okay, without try, we can't go to the park or we can't go to the living relationship. That means like, for instance, she is not agreed. Then finally what he will do? He will see father he is seeing one girl. And anyway, that is also trying only. Father is trying one more girl. That means groom. Groom means bride. That bride actually what happened? There is no parks and living relationship. Directly they can marry. What is a possible ways of try catch finally? What I am meant to say, I am trying to tell you guys. Try catch finally possible. Means what? First you're trying. You got a girl or boy. Girl maybe got a boy. And using parks or something you can trips and living relationship. Finally marry. This is a possible way. And second possible way what? Try catch. What is try and catch the girl? You stay like living relationship for some days and he is not marrying. That means try catch is possible. Some good guys is there, good girls and good boys. And what happened? First actually is try for groom or bride and marry finally. This is a possible ways. Now, what is that? Try first catch and finally marry. That is a one possible way. And second one is try and after that catch living relationship or something, but he is not going to the marriage. And the last one is he is not getting any girl using even Tinder apps or any app. Then finally his father is seeing a girl and he is married. Anywhere in the try catch finally, it's a possible way is try followed by catch or finally, try catch or try finally. Without try, do you think it's a possible catch and finally? For example, your third position you can see. Your father is not going to see the girl. It's not possible to marry. It's at 30 years or 40 years or 50 years, you're not able to marry because you are not fine girl. A father or mother or a relation, anyone can see the girl and or groom or bride, then you can marry. Whereas in coming to the here, try catch, what happened? Try catch. Try means first you can try the girl, you got the girl, but you don't want to marry or she don't want to marry because of some reasons. We don't know that. That is possible. And try catch finally. Try catch finally. First you got the girl or boy, and finally you can review or like living relationship. If you like, then you marry or else leave it. That is different case. But what I mean to say, I already told you this is a bad example. But for your better understanding, I thought you guys this one. Try catch finally is a possible combination. Try catch also possible. Try finally also possible. Without try, we can't catch, we can't finally. That means we can't marry. For example, you want to go to marry, you are not having any girlfriend or any living relationship. Obviously, your father or mother, your relationship, see there, try the girl. Without try, simply we can't marry, right? That is the reason. Try catch, try finally, try catch finally is the possible combination of this thing. Now coming to the our Java world. Try means first to try the exception. Exception. The exception is coming on. If the exception is coming, it will go to the catch. If exception is coming or if exception is not coming, at any cost, it will go to the finally. That's what. If you got the girl, if you not got the girl, what happened? Finally, you will marry one girl. That is a final. Final always executable. Always executable black. Always executable black is a final. That means always you marry. If you got, see the same girl or your loving girl or your another girl or whatever it may be, finally you marry. Finally is always executable black. Try means what? To handle, for example, if you have an exception or not, we'll check. That means check the exception. If exception is coming, you can handle the exception using catch. Finally, black always executable black. It's a any business logic, either exception or not getting exception, you want to execute some piece of code, then we can use finally. Finally, why we need to use it, say exception or not exception? I want to do some kind of code execution because it's always executable black. Now, possible ways is try, catch, finally, try, finally, try, catch is possible. Try the exception, catch the, try the exception. That if you found, then coming to the catch. Finally, I don't want to use right. Now, what is the possible ways? Try, catch, finally, try, finally, try, catch. For instance, try black open. You got an exception. You got an exception. Catch, exception E. That's it. This is a one possible way. That is try the exception, got the exception. Second one is try, finally. Try the exception. Finally means you can handle the exception here or you can execute the block of business code, which is coming under like an exception or not exception, but you want to execute something. Now one more word, try, catch, finally. This is a possible. Now I will ask you one more question here. Now without try we can't do anything. Try, catch, try, finally, try, catch, finally. I already given a bad example, right? What? Try the girl, catch the girl. If you both are okay, marry or like leave it. You try the girl, directly marry. Try the girl, living relationship, marry. Now, within the finally, within the try, within the catch, within the finally. Can I write try, catch, try finally, try, catch finally? You can think, okay, one more thing. In the general way, you can think. If you have a girlfriend, did he try one more girl or not? Or she has a girl, maybe boyfriend. Did she try one more girl or not? She can or he can. That's the reason what I mean to say. Within the try also, we can write a try catch. Try catch, finally. Within the try, we can followed by try catch. You have a girlfriend, still you can try one more girlfriend. That means within the try, you can add try catch. Now you got a girl, for example, catch. Within the catch, can you try try catch? Yes, you can try and catch within the catch also. Within the finally also we can try. If you marry also, you can try the girl, right? Some people, I don't know. Like try, catch, final. That way we can think, I told you, right? It's a bad example. You can think, you can write whatever you. That means I can say, first try, you have a girlfriend, catch. And now again you can try, can you try or not? Yes, can try and catch. You have one more girlfriend also. But again he can try or not within the catch, yeah? He can try catch. Within the catch, you can try catch or not, try or catch. Within the catch, you can try finally or not, try finally. Whatever it may be, try followed by try, catch, try, catch, finally, try, finally. This is the possible way. We can use whatever. Here also you can use. Again, here also you can use. Here also you can use like that. See, now we are using catch. Within the catch, we are writing try catch. Within the catch, we can writing try catch finally. Within the finally, we can write either these three combination. I think so. You got it. You got me right. Anyone have any doubts on this? This is more important while writing exception handling. That's the reason I'm like, giving a bad example. That is for your better understanding. Okay. Got it, Anna? Hello. Hello, guys.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Ah,
Yes,
good.
sir.
Okay. Now, what will go? Now, I think so. You got what is the try, what is the catch, what is the finally. Finally is nothing but a don't think anyone is asking. Finally is anything but a marriage. No. Finally is anything but always executable black. Always executable black. Now you can go ahead with the throw, THROWS, throws. Throw means, for example, Java have some exceptions. What is that? File not found exception. Array index out of bound exception. Index out of bound exception. Now what happened? You have 100 rupees money. Okay, 1000 rupees you have. Now, in your account have 1000 rupees. Now you are trying to take from the ATM 5000. What exception you will get? You will get in Telugu, for example. Hello, sir, you don't have money. In Kannada, you don't have, you don't have. In English, you don't have money. Like that, you'll get exceptions, right? If you're seeing in the ATM in front of the screen, or for example, if you're going to that, then this kind of have exception Java cannot provide. Then how to do? You have to write your own exceptions. Throw is nothing but if you want to write your own exception or custom exception using throw. Throw is nothing but what? To create a custom exception. Throw is nothing but to create a custom exceptions. What is the custom exceptions? Now we have 1000. You are trying to take from the ATM 6000 or 5000. What will happen? You'll get a hello sir, you don't have insufficient fund exception. Insufficient fund exception, any language, it won't provide. That means like, Java or Python or C or C++. You have to write your own exceptions. It's a blindly, you can say THROW, throw. Throw means to create a custom exception, custom exceptions. What custom type, custom exceptions? Yeah, I have a banking application. You have a 5,000 rupees, you're trying to take 10,000, then you can say insufficient fund exception. For example, distance. You're a traveling domain. You're traveling from Bangalore to Visakhapatnam or Bangalore to Pune or Bangalore to Mumbai. You can say Bangalore to your village, something like village name. You can say some village name, village. Then you can say, hello, sir, destination, incorrect destination, incorrect destination. It will show you. That is what? That is a throw. Otherwise, some people will add from location, Udi Circle, Bangalore, to location, S14 Bangalore. It's not possible flight right. Incorrect destination. It will show you incorrect destination. For example, in Amazon website, that is a e-commerce domain. Whatever the product he has, you can order. If out of stock error, then what happened? Out of stock error, out of stock errors are, that is what? Throw to create a custom exception, out of stock exception. It will say out of stock. That is not like Java won't give, C++ won't give, and .NET won't give. That is, we have to create our own exceptions. That is out of stock exception, something. Okay, that is a throw. Throw means you understand, right? To create a custom exception. That's it. Blindly you can say to create a custom exception. How to create, how to get all the things, I'll tell you in the practice. You don't worry about that. Now throws. THROWS, throws. Throws means, for example, you want to go to the trip in Goa. You don't have a car. You're asking your friend. He is your friend. His friend has a Audi car. Audi or XUV 700 or maybe Fortuner. Audi. Maybe some brands is there. Okay. No. Now your friend has a car and you are here. You are planning to go over with 5 friends. This is a Goa. You are a Bangalore. Now you don't have a car, right? What immediately you thought? Okay, he is a best friend. I can ask him. Okay, he is asking to car. For car, he is have a Audi car. He is giving Audi. Then what happened? He is going 100 meters only. This Audi car giving some trouble. Immediately, A guy is a B guy. B guy, what he will do? He will go to the garage? No, because that is Audi car. If you go to the garage, maybe 1 lakh or 50,000, your trip, all trip people, all 5 people trip amount will gone here only. Then immediately what it will do? He'll call to this guy, hey, yeah, I'm not able to start just 100 meters only. Come and take your car. We will go by bus. Then immediately what it will do? What he is doing is hand overing the exception to the caller. Who is the responsible? This guy. He is hand over the exception. It's a car like something has happened. No? That is exception only, right? Abnormal termination. Is hand over to the caller. Who is the owner? Hand over to the owner. OW owner. What is the throws means? Throws means to delegate the exception or abnormal termination, to delegate the exception to the caller or owner or caller. Throws means what? Throws means to delegate the exception handling to the caller. That's it. I'll tell you what is that. Throws means what? To handle the to delegate. Whatever you got the exception here, you cannot handle it. You have to delegate to the A guy. A guy will take care or whatever it may be. I don't care. I don't care because I have to go to the Goa with my friends. A guy is going or handling or not handling, he is throwing to the another person. I don't know. I don't want actually. My responsibility is to delegate the exception to the caller. What is the throws means? To delegate the exception handling to the caller or OW owner. This is a throws. Throws means what? To delegate the exception handling to the caller. Okay. 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 Now I think so. Up to here, all are like got or anyone have any doubts? Then we'll go ahead with practice little one by one. Okay. Maybe I can say you guys. Okay. Maybe Google. Open a Google. Anywhere exe exception handling typing. Anywhere, not only this one. Maybe first website you can see. They can also sell exception handling. What is the exception? What is exception? Exception handling is a mechanism handling runtime exception compiling. Okay, this is it. Just see, this is also throw. Object is not mentioned. We are mentioning object before an error. Error we are giving out of memory stack overflow example. Exception we are giving exception handling file not found. Runtime exception we are giving two types, compile time and runtime. And see exception handling, checked exception, unchecked exception, error. He is talking about try, catch, finally throw. Throw means to keyword used to throw the exception, not throw the exception. It's a custom exception to create the custom exception. Okay, it's not like throw. You can throw it, but if without creating exception, it's not. Finally, black is used to executing a necessary code. Okay, finally black always executable. You know already. Throws means to delegate the responsibilities of handler to the caller. He is giving something. I don't know what he's giving. Whatever I'm teaching you guys, that is my own example, my own experience out of 14, right? 14 experience, 14 years, 10 years, my own teaching skills. I have added these small definitions. Don't see anywhere in the Google. You won't get that kind of easy definitions. For example, if you're going to the here, maybe anywhere, not only this, anywhere. Now see, try black. What is the multiple catch blacks? I already told you. This is a bad example I given you. Clicking here, multiple catch blacks. See one executable black. Finally, one catch black have multiple blacks. It's not an issue. One catch have multiple try catches. Okay, that one. And a catch within the try. Maybe I don't know where he start. Okay, try followed by multiple try catch, nested tries. Maybe his name called a nested try. See try within the try. Within the try, you can try. Then catch, this try catch, and this try catch. You already know this because I already told you try catch finally is a possible. Within the try, it's a try possible. Within the catch, you can try catch possible. If within the catch, it's try catch possible. Within the try, you can catch. This is you already know. Nest that called named as a nested type of exceptions. See, try is adding. We are also adding try within the try. Catch is adding out of that catch. Okay. This is he is named as a nested, but we are named as a within that. Okay, that is done. Maybe whatever. See, finally, finally black always executable black we talked about. Okay, using the Java finally. Finally black. See, this is a finally black, always executable black. Either it's coming to the exception or not. Exception. I'll tell you example. Don't worry. I'm comparing someone how they are teaching and throw keyword. I am telling throws. Don't this you can say blindly. What is a throw? Throw means to create a custom exception. Throws means what? To delegate the responsibilities of handler to the caller. That's it. You don't need to worry about it. So, for example, he is writing 5 points. What is that? Java throw keyword use it to throw an exception, especially in the code instead of the functional back. Something is right. You don't need to worry about anything. Just you can say throw means to create a custom exception. Guys, give me 1 minute. Yeah, sorry guys. What I thought you guys throws means no, we can create our own exception. You don't have to worry about this and all. Don't read. Throws means to delegate the responsibilities of handler to the caller. That's it. Okay, I'll give you example on. Then maybe the exception handling methods and that's it. Exception program. I'll write it down. Throw keyword. I told you right to create a custom exception. You don't need to write this and that. Just create a custom exception. How to create a custom exception and all the things, I can write it now. Now we go ahead with practice. See, theory don't read anywhere. I given a best examples are, very minimal, things I am writing. I am like, minimizing all the things. For example, how to minimize in, chart GPT, I'll tell you. Okay. For example, we have a throw key. Throw keyword, he is giving so much, right? Now what you'll do, you can copy this. Don't think like, how I'm not minimizing this. How to minimize, I'm telling you guys. Okay. I my own experience I got. You can try it. Minimize the content. Now this much, right? He will give you just this much. Again, I want to minimize. See, now this much, we don't want, right? Like this much unnecessary. This much also I don't. Then what is this? Throw keyword to Java, explicitly throw the exception, allowing you to specify the exception object, which is an error. It's often used to the custom exception. Again, minimize. What is that? That is nothing but a throw is the keyword to create a custom exception. That's it. You don't need to write this and all also. Throw is a keyword. It is coming from the Java. Throw is used to create a custom exception. That's it. You don't need to learn this much information. You need to learn this much information. Just I have only one line of things, right? Whatever he is giving, or maybe he is giving this much 1 or 2 pages. Whatever ChatGPT is giving like 2 lines, whatever I am giving a 1 line, same. There is no difference between this 1 page, this half page, and 1 line. But what is the content? What you are going to, someone is asking, right? What is the throw? Throw means tightly concerned. Throw is a create a custom exception. It's a keyword. That's it. You don't need to write. this much. It's not like theory, right? It's like, they won't give you. This is not like, BTech. Please write all the things. Yeah, what is this? Blah, blah, blah. No, no, not like that. Okay. Okay. Don't think like he's telling you like small definitions is correct or not. Now we got it right. I'm minimizing the your definition. Okay. I'm minimizing. Okay. Anyway, I think so. You got it right. What is the exception? What is the try? What is the catch? What is the checked exception? What is unchecked exception? Now you can see. I told checked exception very easy. Now here I don't know how we are writing, but try catch. Maybe I can write it down. Okay, I can say here. Okay. Right, right. Okay. What is the checked exception? He's giving something, right? I don't want to this. What I give in a definition, checked means any exception which is not under runtime exception is nothing but a checked exception. Now we can say minimize content. What? One, two, three, four, 5 lines. One, two, 3 lines. Ours is one line. What is that line? Checked exception. Checked exception is a keyword. Any exception which is not under runtime exception is nothing but a checked exception. Best examples are file not found exception, IO exception, SQL exception. That's it. See, I think so I'm giving here, right? Don't think, hey, he is telling like, small definitions is a correct or not. What I'm doing, before ChatGPT only, I'm minimizing this. And for that, when you're minimizing, right, your content also very less, but you know perfectly Java concept. Okay, that's the reason I'm giving a best, what it's called, best definitions. Okay, I think so. I'm done for the theory. Now, see if you're seeing right here, there is any difference is there what I taught you. This, if you want to teach in outside classes, they can teach at least 10 days, but we are covering just 1 hour. All the theory practice, they will take 10 days, right? What is the use of like, wastage of your time and wastage of trainer time? I don't want to do that. Okay, that's the reason what I meant to say. Whatever I'm giving a definition, that is the best definitions. Please go through the videos and please learn from my videos only. Don't think like, he is telling like what is a class. Class is a, okay, for example, I am giving you a mistake. Class, I can say 12 points. Now BC class Java. She is writing. See, this is a class. If anyone is telling, they won't agree. What is this? Class is a blueprint of creating object. No, I don't want this. See, whenever you're going to the interview or someone, our definition should be unique. Our definitions. So that, right? Oh, this guy is telling something different, right? Then maybe, yeah, this is a good. That's the reason I'm giving a 12 points. In this, I can say class is a keyword. Class name start with capital letter. Class have a 3 types of variables: local variable, static or class variable, instance variable. Class has a constructor. Constructor name and class name should be same. And constructor have a this or super. This to call a constructor, current class object. Super is to call the super class constructor. Class have a fully implemented method. It does not have abstract methods. Whatever you are doing this, that only definition I giving you. Okay. So that right, you can write your own class. You can create an implemented method. Class, you can write a class name, variable declare, constructor declare. That's it. Okay, maybe I do. Maybe I'm giving some kind of classes, but anyway, no problem. And tomorrow, what I'll do? Tomorrow, what we can do practice of exceptions. What is a try? What is a class? How to create a custom exception? How to handle how to throw keyword? How to handle to delegate the responsibility handling to the exception, right? How to do that kind of things? We can do it so that your like 10 days class or 15 days class outside, you can complete within 2 hours. Okay, 2 hours or 3 hours, maybe 40, 40, 140. Tomorrow, maybe it will take first half. Okay, all practice I'll give you slowly so that you can understand this. Later we can jump into the collections or threading. Okay. Yeah, I think so. I'm done
Okay.
from. Anyone have any doubts? Okay.
No, Yogi.
Okay. You guys are understanding, right? Team? Or anyone like not able to catch me? If you're not, then I'll teach you slowly. Hello. Go ahead, Naveen. So, learning core Java, right? What is the difference between Java and core Java? Sorry, difference between Java and core Java. Java and core Java. There is no difference here. Java and core Java.